PGFF News.
Be ready for the latest and fresh updates sa atong church.
Then, prepare to start sa mga power na announcements this week.
First up, we would like to update you about sa mga evangelism karon nga week nga daily nagapangitabo ug naay mga estimated na 100 souls ang na-harvest all by God's grace. Kini nga evangelism nasugdan last week ug nagapadayon ubang tatabang ni Lord. Through evangelism, makakita sa mga tao na pwede maka-join sa open cells. So, continue ta ug consolidate to these people all for the glory of God.
Next up, last Sunday, 9 minutes of shell dedication. Ang dedicate na baby kay Juan sa Lardakaan. Our prayer is si baby with ako June na naikakasya sa Lord kung panalangin ng Lord of Iris on baby. So, that's the update for this week. Now, here are the announcements.
Nagapadayon ang ato prayer summit every Wednesday 7 p.m. and up to 8 p.m. sa KJSF Center. Be updated sa schedule with when in your network was served. Ang mag-lead sa summit karon Wednesday kaya ang network sa Giwu. Apel jud ta og prayer summit kay dako jud ang kaymuan ang mga pag-ampon nato kay Lord.
Next is ang post-encounter graduation. Karon adlaw after the service. So, kinahanglan ang tanan ng witness sa ating mga post-encounter students sa ilang pag-graduate karon sa post-encounter. On behalf of the PGFF Church Special Team, congratulations! Reminder lang po sa graduation posting na proceed ng goal motivation, mas challenging, mas exciting. This will start next Sunday, May 13, 2012, so 2 p.m. at PGFF Center. We'll prepare booklets per meeting. So ask your cell leader para sa dugang pa na information. So leaders, just keep the fire burning.
Karon pod adlaw May 6, 2012 kay ang wedding ceremony ni Pastor Jacket Mangadlaw ug Darling Rina Season. Come, join the celebration as the two hearts become one with the Lord's blessing. Magsugod ang ceremony alas 3 karong hapon here at Regina Extension Gym.
This week, isa sa mga pinakahihintay ng marami, Encounter God is Real. But take note, limited slots only. So please be reminded that only first 20 registered delegates lang ang pwede maka-join. Ang registration fee ay 200 pesos lang. Barato na kaayo for this spectacular, life-changing, and super transforming na event. To register, just contact your network leader. Pero murag hapit na mahurot ay slot. Pero ayaw ka balaka, kay na po musunod pa na encounter. Just keep updated with your network.
Kapadayon pod ang prayer encounter this week o next week. Before ka maka-appeal sa encounter, kailangan sa nimo mag-undergo o prayer encounter. Sa prayer, ma-ready ang isa ka tao na mo-experience kay Lord sa encounter. So far, kana ang atuang mga announcements. Continue tawagatin sa atuang mga open cells and closed cells for this week.
Kung wala pa kay cell, please contact any cell leader or network leader. That's the update for this week. Keep updated for more. This is Yancy.
And this is John Ray.
Enjoy the Word of God.
Bye-bye.